This is Tim Albright with AVNation at the CTI National Sales Meeting with Dave Buck from Imagine Communications. How are you, sir?
Doing great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Thanks
meet you.
for stopping by.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming out and supporting CTI.
We're excited to be here, right? Yeah. And one of the things that we're trying to do as a company, our Imagine Communications has been around since the 1920s as part of our lineage, right? Okay. We started with a company called Gates Air, Harris, and now we're Imagine Communications. But we're starting to evolve our technology into more of the communications, AV media space. And while we've been focused on broadcast for the longest time, right? The idea is that media at corporation type centers are becoming so sophisticated now, right? It's a wonderful technology. It helps people reach the viewers or their employees, right? One of our biggest customers, they have 1,000 products. How do the engineers and the product managers meet and greet, 10,000 employees across the globe? This kind of technology is taken off.
Let's take a step back. You guys have been around for 100 years, but if somebody's never heard of Imagine Communications, what if you had to encapsulate in 30 seconds, what is it that Imagine Communications does?
Sure. I'll start with, we don't build cameras, we don't build monitors.
Okay.
But we build everything in between.
Okay.
So all the core infrastructure to route video from one location to another, to ingest it, to store it, to edit it, to encode it, and to distribute it. That's what we do.
All right.
Yeah.
Very cool. Yeah. One of the selling points you guys have is the reliability. Why is that important for a Fortune 500 company looking to either develop or expand their broadcast facilities, or a higher education facility looking either to develop a digital journalism or for their own internal communications? Why is that reliability important?
Sure. One of the key things that they have to do is they have to get their message out, whether it's to end users or to employees, reliably. And that way, if they get it out that way, they can focus on things that they want to focus on, the core. If you constantly have to go back and, oh, this box needs to be replaced or this thing needs to be fixed, right? That's a negative, right? We all do better and are more creative. When I step on the ground, I'm not stepping in a puddle. I'm walking forward, I'm moving forward, I'm able to run and move fast. That's what we want to do when we deliver our products. So we do a lot of interoperability testing to make sure that you buy that widget from that manufacturer, that widget from that manufacturer. When you plug them all together, they work, right? I call it Legos for big kids.
I like that.
It's a lot of fun.
All right. Dave, somebody wants to find out more about Imagine Communications. How do they do that?
Go to our website, imaginecommunications.com.
All right.
All right.
Dave Buck from Imagine Communications. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Find more videos like this and a host of other stuff. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.